It's gonna be simple. Simple ingredients. Alright. So it's gonna be very, very super easy and simple. So got a nice piece of ginger. Nice one. So that's the ginger. Turn off the cooker. Leave that to go and cook. So we got some mint. Yeah, that's some mint. All right. Here it is, lime. We're gonna put some orange for sweetness. Oh yeah, I eat that. Beautiful. That is fabulous. All right, yeah man, that looking good. See that looking good. That looks amazing. So as you guys can see, yeah, That looks delicious. It's not a long video, it's just a very simple, quick one this morning. But as you can see, that looks delicious. Beautiful. That is excellent. No garlic. This morning we had some mint, ginger, lemon, and orange for sweetness. Yeah, man. Simple recipe, but very effective. Here it is, pour it out, just like this. All right, and that looks delicious. Yeah. This is how it look, and that looking really delicious. All right, the flavor and the texture is amazing, guys. So what you want to do, you want to drink this first thing in the morning when you wake up on an empty stomach. Mint, ginger, lime, and orange. All right, yeah. No garlic in this one, no cloves. We're using some fresh mint, and this is delicious. Guarantee 100%. Yeah. So stay tuned in and watch more video.